Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my episode 2 of recording my day in life as a Forex trader from Uganda. I'm currently documenting my journey here, and I just beg for your subscription, a like and a follow so that you get updated for any video I upload. I'm journaling my journey here, and if you wanna follow me, if you wanna follow the journey, if you wanna see me succeeding to become the best trader around East Africa in the few years to come, just hit that subscription button, like and follow. So by the way, today I have good news and bad news. So the bad news is the video which was to be for episode 2. Yesterday I was editing the video, and by mistakenly I deleted the video. It was so awkward, and I felt like giving up, but there's the mentality I have: I'll never give up before I get to where I want. So I decided to make the video again, and this is day 2, which would be day 3. It's around 3 around now. I had to record this from the morning, but in the morning I had to go help my dad at work. So I'm back home, and I decided to record this. You're gonna see the good news, and the bad news was that, and the good news is coming. Let's drop into the video. Yeah man, you guys have been watching my inspiration, and this guy is my inspiration. He's the one who inspired me to do such vlogs and to document my journey on YouTube. So this guy is called Barrel Trades. You can check out his channel. He's a legit guy, and all his content is not a shabby business, but only documenting and showing progress. Let me show you right here on the videos. I started seeing his videos from the oldest to see. I was tracking to see if this guy has been moving through the journey. As you see, like 3 years ago, when he was still in high school, he used to record this, documenting this, and he has shown very good progress. As you see, today, 20 hours ago, he made another video. So this guy is so legit, and I have liked all his content. He's my inspiration to do this, and if this guy did it, I think I'll always do it. I'll also do it. Why wouldn't I when this guy did it? So that means we can also do it. We just need to lock in, and remember this today is a locking day, and I'm locking in. I'll go watch some soccer in the evening. So right now I'm going to go through the charts, but before, let me show you the good news. Today I've withdrew 50k Uganda shillings. As you see here, let me show it to you right here from my investments, and I'm hoping like this month to end when I have a 1.1 M UGX investment, and I'm very happy. I've always had a dream to have such investments, and I think I'm now growing to be a real man, because I can now generate income and I can now invest my money. So as a man, you should always invest. You should look ahead of you. You should plan ahead of you so that you can achieve the freedom. So if you moving with me in this journey, know the 2 principles I use. I always take a risk, and I always invest. Anything I get like a reward from a risk, it's a worth an investment. So because an investment will help you grow much income. So this is my personal investment, and I've withdrew a 50k today. We're going to a weekend, and it's not bad, but at the end of the month I want to be worth 1.1 M in investments, and I guess that's good. So let's drop into the charts. So guys, right now, what do we have? This bad boy. We have this bad boy outcard right now. On outcard right now. What I expect. Let me go to the 4H and I see how the market moves right now. So outcard. This is what I'm expecting on outcard. I'm expecting outcard to come back for the liquidity, as if you have seen my first video, I trade on the principle of liquidity. So I enter the market according to the liquidity, and all this week has been a bad week because I did not get any trade this week. This week pairs have been moving, liquidating people, and since I understand now liquidity, I could not get any pair to trade. So what I expect on outcard, I'm expecting this pair to first come and take out these lows before it goes high. Outcard is bullish overall. Let me show it to you on the daily time frame. So outcard is trending bullish. Sorry for the background noise, I'm at home. So outcard is bullish and it's moving in this range. In this range right here, where you see the cursor, outcard is moving, and I'll confirm more bullish movements if outcard breaks this high where you see that line, the above line, because it's a psychological level. When I put it on this, let me show you. It's a psychological level. Reason, let me show you. On a weekly time frame. Now, weekly time frame, this is a psychological level, what you can call a support zone. So I'm putting this line on this high. If outcard breaks this line here, let me put a line for you to see. Where you see that if outcard breaks here, I will expect more bullish trends. But for now, outcard is still ranging into this zone. Let me show you. It's ranging in between this high, the resistance zone, and the support zone here. So what I expect, I'm expecting outcard to rise higher. But before rising higher, I'm expecting outcard to take all the liquidity and look at the liquidity below. So when you see this, whenever a pair does this, I told you I will give I'm gonna start teaching a certain concept so that everybody can benefit from my YouTube videos. I want these videos to be beneficial to everyone while as following me, and we move together in this journey. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and put a comment for any concept you want me to talk about, or any mistake I do, you can correct me in the comment section. I'll hear and I'll make a video about it. So as you see right now on outcard, what I expect, I'm expecting price to take out liquidity below. Why? I understand that whenever a market does this, let me show you. Whenever market trends high and it does this, it makes a V shape. Sorry. So if the market makes this V shape here, the market indicates liquidity. Whenever market does a V shape, there should be a liquidity sweep to come, because we expect more sitting orders below. That's why you're seeing it went bullish, but it does not have enough momentum to go bullish. So I'm expecting outcard before it breaks this level here, the psychological level, to first come and take out the liquidity below. And another confluence here, we have a liquidity an imbalance or a fair value gap here. Sorry, here we have an imbalance. So I'm expecting the market to take out this V shape or a liquidity trap to go in this imbalance, and in this imbalance I will expect price to come at least to this a half of the imbalance, so that it can range, so that it can trend high. So whenever you see this in the market, a V-shaped market, just know this is always liquidity sitting below, and I always use excess for my liquidity. So what I expect, the market first come back and sweep that liquidity to take out the orders below. After taking up the orders, I can then buy the market targeting swing highs. So I wait the market to first come and sweep out the liquidity and target highs. But since I'm so confident with my strategy, I cannot wait for all this move to come. So next week, because what I know, this is gonna take like a day. So what I think, by next week the market would have come below, and by next week or this week, if Friday comes when it has broken this high, what I'm going to show you, I'll sell the market till this, because I'm very confident that the market has to come back for this low. As you see, let me put it. So I'm expecting liquidity here below and this imbalance on the 4H to come and be filled. So this is what I see on the 1H time frame. See, on the 1H time frame, this is how the market looks. It made a break of structure, but this break of structure does not have enough momentum to keep the market trending upwards. If you use ICT, you know what a break of structure is, and if you don't use ICT, Kabi XM is here for you. So if you don't know what a break of structure means, a break of structure simply means price has broken a high or a low, and it indicates a continuation. But in this situation, this break of structure may not be valid. Reason, the market has left much liquidity below. So I'm expecting this market, if it's gonna sell, I want this market to first break this small low, or you can call it the candle that broke the candle that broke the structure. I want it to also be broken. If it gets broken like this, I'll confirm that the market has changed direction, and I will wait for the market to retrace in either a flip zone or an inverse fair value gap with liquidity. There, I will sell the market targeting lows, and I'll target this low as I told you, the 1 hour low. So that's what I have for our card for today. I've no week for the full week. I took a loss last week. This week it was around Monday. I took a loss on the other challenge. I'm telling you, of flipping the $4, and it's currently at $3. As I'm gonna show you. So since I trade 3 pairs on Audi card, I don't have a trade. Let me see BTC. So BTC formed the flip zone, as you see here. BTC formed this flip zone, which I marked the full box. Why do I call it a flip zone? It was the price had really traced in these zones, and I was expecting price to go bullish. But since liquidity is below, I'm showing this in the 1H, since we have this liquidity point here and this here, I'm expecting the market to drop further so that it comes to these levels. When you go to the 4H, this is what you will see. In the 4H time frame, we also have an imbalance which was not filled, and another, it was even an inverse fair value gap. So it's a high probability fair value gap for the market to come and retrace. So when you go to the 1H, what you realize, the market is coming back to the flip zone. Remember, whenever market forms a flip zone should be broken. And if you want to learn everything, you should tap the link in my bio to join my Telegram channel, where I share all this information for free. So in these flip zones, whenever the market breaks the flip zone like this move here, the push, we wait for a retracement. So the market retraced into this flip zone, but what do you see? The market rejected the zone. I call that liquidity, though some people call them sniper entries. Me, I don't take such trades. So when it rejected the zone, I was expecting the market to come and take out that wick. See what the market did. The market did not take the wick, but it formed an M pattern. What does an M pattern show? There is liquidity sitting above. So in this flip zone, I have what we call a breaker block and a fair value gap. It's a high probability POI. So I'm waiting for the price to range or to come back to these zones here. So I'll sell BTC targeting this liquidity below. This liquidity point is my target here. Let me put it in the 4H for it to be much clear. So in that flip zone, I'm targeting this and I'm waiting for the market to retrace here so that it goes to the main trend. Remember, in the market, we trade two things, the bias and we also trade the trend. So right now we are not going to trade with the trend because we should also trade with the bias. The bias is bearish, but the trend is bullish. So we're gonna trade, though the bias most of the times is more risky because you are trading against the trend. But since if you know what to do, it's easy to manage. So we shall sell BTC. Let me see what I have for gold right now. For gold, this is what I see on gold. This is the 4H time frame. Gold formed this structure here. This whenever gold forms this channel shows this is a sign of a reversal. So gold has been leaving what are these points here, the liquidity points, and it also left the liquidity point above. So when you look closely, what do you see on gold? You can put your suggestion in the comment section. So what I see on gold is bearish, and long term, I think gold will first take out this low because this low there's liquidity sitting below. So I'm expecting gold to take out this low first so that it can go back to the main trend, which is the bullish trend. So all the pairs I'm trading right now, they are in the bias phase, and I'm gonna trade the bias. So the market right now on gold is consolidating, and there is high liquidity. So what would I advise you? It's around 4 p.m. 14th of May. I'm advising you to leave gold and return to gold next week. Reason, me what I expect on gold, since gold did this channel, I'm expecting a reversal. The channel was broken, but there was liquidity left. So what I think, gold to respect that channel, it should first take out this liquidity here because there are some people who already sold gold. So gold should first take them out. After taking them out, it can target to these lows. So this what I do. I don't predict price, but I read market structure. So the reason why you should work much on your strategy is to avoid predicting and do what you understand. So what I'm doing, I'm not predicting the price, but I'm reacting to my strategy and reading market structure. Since I'm a trading geek student, if you don't know, I'm a trading geek student, though he does not know me. I learned these tricks on YouTube from his channel, and I also have another mentor, the physical mentor. So I'm trying to document all my trades on YouTube, and I'm going to be sharing all my results. So what we expect on gold, to first take out this liquidity above so that we shall have sales on gold respecting the bias. Sorry, I'll have sales on gold. I think it will be next week. Sales on gold, targeting this TP1. This will be my TP1, and mostly me, I like ones to fives, but whenever I get two TPs, I probably like holding to TP2. So I'll be targeting TP2, and I'll risk around 20 pips because I'm gonna buy a funded account, and I'm expecting to pass that funded account in 2 weeks. So I'll be risking highly, but I will be very careful with the setups I take. So if you enjoy my content or if you enjoy this video, just hit the like button and the subscription button so that you get all notified for all the streams or all the content I upload, and to move with me in this journey.
A few moments later.
Yeah, man, having this in the window. Love the view. So I'm from taking some food and it was very delicious. Right now I'm going to head to the beach and I'm not going to play because I'm not fit enough, I'm not fit enough. So I used to sit on myself, but I decided to lock in, and I want you guys to follow me through this journey. So right now I'm going to go to the beach, and at night I'll come back. I'll do some journaling. It's been long without taking some journaling, and I'm going to do some back testing. After doing the back testing, I'll plan for another day, and I'll also plan for the next coming month. Next week I'll be going back to school. I'm finishing high school next year, so I'm a semi-candidate, Form 5. So next year I'll be doing my Form 6, and I want this year to use it, since I'm still a semi-candidate, to give you more vlogs, and I want to move with you in my life. So I kindly ask for your subscription and a follow so that we can move together in this journey. So right now I'm going to go to the beach, watch some soccer. My friends are gonna be playing, and let's have fun together. Let's go.
Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Walk up to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. You know that it's bond, they just wishing they could watch it blow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yeah, yeah, yeah? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I'll play the Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful, it made me say thank you, thank you, thank you, yeah. I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to run upon me all night long.
Guys, hi. If you're still watching the video, just know, bro, you are here. And if you have subscribed, just know, bro, man, I appreciate. Right now I'm at the beach, cool vibes around, and see, you can see all cool vibes around. It's looking good for the evening. We have not got trades this week, but looking good, so I have to move. I'm at the beach right now, and I'm gonna watch soccer, and I'm going to stream, and you see how the touch how can I say the touch price. So I'm at the beach, gonna have some soccer. So I'm at the beach right now, and I'm gonna have some soccer. Gonna watch my team play. Since I have an injury, I'm not playing. I still have an injury. So when I get cool, I'll get to the pitch and I'll have to stream to you how I play. I'm not a bad player. So as you see, yeah, this is my school jersey. I love this school, and man, just know positive vibes around. So I'm gonna watch soccer and I will go back home and I will be journaling. So enjoy the video. night and you're hearing the sound, at the beach. There are always music playing. I'm gonna head back home. The soccer has been very good and it's around 9 a.m. It's been very good. I'm somehow exhausted, so I'm gonna go back home, bathe in the journal. So watch the video of me going back home. Let's go together. Let's go.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. For I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but
Oh guys, hi, and it's a good morning. I'm recording this in the morning. Yesterday night when I came back from the beach, I came back home when the electricity is off, and I couldn't give you a goodbye or a good night. But if you are still watching this video, bro, man, just know I appreciate, and I'll also appreciate your follow and or your subscription, so that you get notified for any video I upload. I'm not looking very good because I'm just from waking up. It's a very good morning, and I sent this good morning to you. But just know, if you're still watching this video, I just appreciate you, man. Right now, I missed many trades, by the way, and I missed many trades at night. The trades we analyzed, they did what we wanted, but since I was off the charts, I missed the trade today. In the next episode, I'm gonna be back testing, showing my strategy, and I'm gonna be giving some tips I use nowadays to uplift my trading. My trading has really changed. It's not like how it was. It has really changed. And let me show you the charts. Right now I'm going to deposit some money on my bank account. As a man, this is the money. Little, but some money is money. So regardless, we move. Let me show you something. How the trades performed. I hope the screen is very clear. Let me show you. This was gold. We were expecting gold to first come back for this point here, but gold did not come back. It just dropped. For gold did not do what we wanted, but it dropped to the TP1 and TP2. It dropped since as I told you in the last clip, that whenever gold makes these trenches or moves into this trench, you can call it a channel, it indicates a reversal. As you see, when it moved like this, it made a reversal. And it always remember that whenever you see any pair moving like this in a channel, there is gonna be an impulsive move, as you see it here. And me, I was scared because I was seeing this liquidity. Gold has been liquidating a lot, so I could not enter. About outcard did what we wanted, but we were off charts. I guess if I was on charts, I don't know, I could trade this. You remember I told you outcard, when it breaks this candle that broke the structure, I told you this break of structure is not valid in the last clip. As you see, outcard broke the structure, broke that candle. It made a retracement and it's dropping to TP even 3. Bro, I missed this trade. Let me show you the one at the 15M out is. Sorry, as I'm shouting, I'm so excited because I'm really appreciating the support you're showing in the last video I recorded. I love it, man. I love it. So as you see, it made this retracement here. I could have entered here because there is a good fair value gap. As you see, after the break, it left a fair value gap. Since it's a candle that took out the liquidity, though in 15 minutes you see many candles, but on 1H it's one candle. I could enter in this fair value gap here because it's a valid zone. I could be with her. Let me see. According to my risk to reward, I could enter in this fair value gap in the middle of it. Let me show you what I could have made. In the middle of this FVG, I could put this a trade here. Could have put a trade here, and my stop loss would be above this candle and targeting that TP3. Let me see that TP3. Bro. Let me see. It could be a 1:11. Very insane, nigga. Just know it's insane. We missed a very good opportunity, but since this is the market, opportunity always come up. So we shall get another trade. It's a Friday. I've spent the whole week without even putting a trade on my MT5. That's trading. So on BTC violated the setup. It took out this liquidity above the flip zone. I did not see this in the last analysis. I did not see this liquidity here. Took out the liquidity, but I'm likely to enter, and in the next clip I'll show you the results, because I'm seeing if it makes any retracement here. I'm going to enter BTC targeting this zone below, this zone where you see the XX. So if you're still watching, just know I appreciate for your support, and I'll always appreciate. It's your boy KBXM. Let's keep locked in. I'm out.